Alright you guys, this is how I make text in cube here in Illustrator. For the font, I'm gonna go with the Mango Grotesque Bold, and I'm also gonna decrease the distance in between the letters. From here, right click on the text, create outlines, a right click on group, and I'm also gonna adjust the letter S a little bit better. And we're gonna group these letters separately. So we got like 3 letters here, right click. Right now here you cannot see the group option. So what we're gonna do is press Ctrl G to group them. And I'm gonna select the next one, Ctrl G and Ctrl G. I gotta put it right here. And I'm gonna go and swap the fill to stroke. Click on the stroke so it's gonna be on the top. And let's go and select the polygon tool. And I'm gonna press and hold Shift, create a polygon, press and hold Shift again, rotate it. And now let's go and select the pen tool, and I'm gonna search for the center right here where you can see the intersection point. Click on it, and I'm gonna create a rectangle right here and connect. And I'm gonna do another one from here, click and create a bottom rectangle. And the last one here, there you go. Now I'm gonna select one of these, and I'm gonna right click, arrange, send to back. So this way I can select this full hexagon and press on delete. Now let's go and select all these rectangles. Now we're gonna go to the object, path, and let's go and select offset path. I'm gonna go to the offset and decrease it, and I'm gonna go with -2, click OK, and zoom in, and let's delete the center lines. Press on delete, and let's go down, and there you go. And I'm gonna create another copy of this, press and hold Alt, and I'm gonna create another copy of this rectangle, press and hold Alt, and drag it. Now let's go and select the typography, right click on it, arrange, send to back. And now let's select the first text, press and hold Shift, select one of the rectangles. Now let's go to the object, envelope distort, and click on make with top object. And now let's go and do the same thing with the second text, press and hold Shift, select the rectangle, repeat the process again. And last but not least, you might say that you can do it with this as well by pressing and holding Shift to the text and the shape. Let's see what happens, but it's gonna get distorted. So I'm gonna press Ctrl Z, and instead of that, I'm gonna select this rectangle, press and hold Shift, select the text, go to the object, envelope distort, make with top object. From here, we're gonna need to rotate this text. So I'm gonna go to the rotate tool, double click, and I'm gonna type into the angle -60 degrees, click OK, and now you can position it on the bottom and remove the rectangle. And that's how I make this text made of isometric cubes here in Illustrator. Thanks for watching.